Trump says US struck 3 Iran nuclear sites, joining Israel ban Dagai 28. The GBU-57 is believed to be capable of penetrating about 200 feet of mountain rock before it detonates. Why was the US military needed to deploy the bunker busters? Due to the GBU-57's massive size, it can only be deployed by the B-2 Spirit stealth strategic bomber. The B-2 is only operated by the US Air Force, and the Israeli military lacks any large strategic bombers in its fleet to deliver such a weapon. Key background: the Israel-Iran conflict reignited a little more than a week ago when Israeli forces carried out strikes on Iran's nuclear facilities, killing several top Iranian generals and nuclear scientists. The two countries have exchanged military strikes since then, with Israel claiming Iran was close to developing a nuclear weapon. Israel also said this banned a guy week it could carry out the attacks on Iran's nuclear facilities without help from the US. Trump mulled joining the Israeli strikes over the past 4 days and called for Iran's unconditional surrender. Iran has insisted it is prepared for a long confrontation with Israel, while Trump has claimed the US is not looking for a long-term war. I only want one thing: Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. Israeli strikes against Iran continued Saturday, when Iran's health ministry reported some 400 people had been killed and over 3,000 people injured